to Creating with Kate. There are times that we find ourselves far away from those that we love. Today we are creating a fun way to say hello from a distance. Paper hugs, monster style. First, gather your materials. You're going to need construction paper, a variety of colors, an array of markers, a pencil and scissors, glue, Elmer's glue, craft glue, glue sticks are great with little hands, and googly eyes. These are optional because you can always make your own with paper. Next, figure out what sort of shape you'd like your monster's body to have. For a more uniform shape, fold your paper in half and draw along the fold. Maybe you'd like one with a spiky body. Or maybe you'd like one with a lumpy body shape. Or you might decide to go with a more organic shape. Once you've made your decision, it's time to grab your scissors and cut out your shape. When you've finished cutting out your shape, open it up and see how it looks. Now you're ready to add some arms. So grab your monster and we'll forge ahead.
Yeah, my God.
Ow. Okay, so now you have to decide, do you want a long-armed monster or a short-armed monster? For longer arms, fold your paper vertically along the long edge. This way, with one cut, you'll get two pieces that are about the same width. For shorter arms, fold your paper horizontally along the short edge and do the same kind of cut, getting the two pieces that are about the same width. Now take one of those pieces and starting on one end, fold over the edge about an inch and then flip it and fold under the same amount. And keep going, flipping it over and under, folding accordion style till you get to the end of the piece of paper. Now grab the other piece and do it again. They don't have to be equal. It's a monster. It's okay if they don't match. But it is a loving monster, so I wanted to add hearts at the end of the arms. So the easiest way to make hearts is to fold your paper in half. And you want two hearts, so fold it in half again. Grab your pencil and starting along the fold, draw half a heart. Then cut along your line. And voila, two hearts. Now we get to the really fun part, putting your monster together. Gather all your pieces, the arms, the hearts, the body, and take your glue and dab a little bit on the end of the arm, then tuck it underneath the body. Press it down firmly so you know it's really well attached. Then do it again on the other side. Now come the hearts. With a little bit of glue in the center of the heart, attach it to the end of the arm. And do it again on the other side. I used pink, but there's no hard and fast rule for what color a monster's heart is. Okay, how many eyes do we need?
Three.
Okay, stick them on here where you think they should go.
2, 3.
For this monster, my little helper chose googly eyes. Then it's just a matter of deciding where you want to stick them. Once you've got the placement of the eyes down, it's time to think about the mouth. My little helper requested a happy mouth. Grab your marker and draw it on. If you don't have googly eyes, or you just want a more colorful option, that is no problem. Take a white piece of paper, double it up by folding it over. Now grab your pencil and draw circles of various sizes. Then you cut them out. Once everything's cut out, turn them so that the marks are on the bottom side of the paper. Use your markers and make those eyeballs whatever color you want. Now select which eyes you want to use and decide where you want them to be placed. Using glue, secure your eyeballs to your monster's face. And then it's time to draw on your mouth. And there you have it, a monster with arms spread wide, ready to give a hug.
Now that your paper hug monster style is complete, you've got a couple options. You could add it to your own home gallery.
Or you could write a note on it and turn your monster into a monster card and send it on a journey to say happy birthday or I love you, monster style. Tuck the hands and arms inside the envelope and send it on its way.
Bye-bye.
Bon voyage, monster! Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Ah, that's you.